Crypto crash. This is the guy who got arrested for knocking on Luna boss's door.
Just a quick update.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, a couple weeks ago, maybe like a week or two, Luna crashed the cryptocurrency, and then someone actually went to the creator's house, the founder, and was trying to ask him questions or maybe hurt him in some way. But then he ran away. He had second thoughts, maybe. And he actually just went to the police station and reported himself.
Oh, turned himself in?
Whoa.
Yeah.
So they were looking for him.
And it's pretty much what we talked about, how he lost a bunch of money, millions of dollars.
Right.
That partly wasn't his. And he, wanted
Wait. Partly wasn't his. Go ahead.
I believe he was working at a investment firm.
Oh,
I believe.
no.
Mo, this hits close to home, doesn't it?
No.
Go ahead, Mo.
So, people's money. How was he not in charge of it?
Go ahead, Mo.
Well, he was, but
Oh,
it wasn't his money.
But what do you mean? Like the people gave him the money, told him to invest? Well, then that's a little different. I thought like he's borrowing money from friends and family and stuff to do his investment. That's no good. But if they're giving him money and they're saying, "Hey, invest," they're signing up for the risk themselves.
Sure.
Right?
So in other words,
No. You gonna, I think I know what you're gonna say, and that's not what's happening.
I didn't say anything.
Okay, go on.
Got into Mo today. He's coming after me.
No, I'm not coming after
I
you.
was in here quietly.
You're right.
He's pointing his finger at me. I'm just gentle over here. I'm a gentleman. So anyway, he was managing some funds.
Mm-hmm.
And lost his money and money within the fund. A huge failure, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
In a volatile world of cryptocurrencies, fortunes can be made and lost rapidly. Well, that's the thing. It goes up, it goes down. High risk, high reward.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, Mo.
Yeah, I guess if that's the type of bets you're making, then yeah. But I guess this is a little different because it was supposed to be not a risky bet.
Terra Luna came to prominence in December 2021 when the value of each coin started rising from $5 to a high of 116 in April. Like many people, chancers made a big bet. That's this individual.
The guy, yeah.
Made a big bet on the coin rising further. But then suddenly on May 9th, it collapsed, losing 99% of its value. You know, another one I heard was Snap. Snap lost like 40% of its value today. Talk about like Snapchat.
Oh, Snapchat?
Yeah, apparently it
The
is
camera company?
bombing.
Whoa, wow.
Yeah.
60%, nearly 60% drop in the month.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead, Mo.
Snapchat's kind of cool, man. I think it's a cool company. Did
You know?
see their
Do you know
Pixie
what a
thing?
warning sign is?
A what?
The warning sign that caused this?
No, I don't know. I mean, all tech stocks are taking a hit.
Yeah, they slowed down their hiring. They're not trying to hire people. Go ahead.
Well, it's tough out there. You can't make promises right now. So maybe they can't hire. Maybe they don't have the free cash flow to hire. I dropped some words there.
What's your favorite milk, Mo? Okay, so this guy goes to the house. He's not supposed to go to the house, or at least anybody would feel threatened when you go to the house. Especially you had this project that just exploded, and everybody lost money, and you're a big target at that point. The guy can say he just wanted to talk, but it's just a threatening action, especially at that moment.
Yes.
And so he turns himself in. Will there be any kind of follow up, or are the police satisfied that he's not a threat?
I think they're just gonna detain him and see what's the next steps. I don't know if he's gonna get.
I don't feel like
charged.
you can detain the guy. He just showed up at the house. I wanted to ask him about his plans for Luna. I suffered a huge loss and wanted to talk to him directly. Yeah, well, it's probably not the best way to do it.
Is that the guy?
No, that's the founder.
That's the founder.
Somebody in the chat says, never try to catch a falling knife. What do you say, Mo?
Like a value trap? Is that what they're saying?
He said, never try to catch a falling knife. Go ahead, Mo.
Well, if you get the right handle, then you got a knife in your hand. Isn't that true?
No, but if a knife is falling, should you try to catch it?
No, you shouldn't try.
You let it hit the ground.
Yeah,
Pick
sure.
it up after.
Uh-huh.
You sure, Mo?
I don't know if you're asking me like the knife is actually a knife or does it represent stocks?
You told me.
Okay, if it's actually a knife, don't do that. And don't throw scissors and don't run with scissors either.
Ooh, stock advice.
Yeah, you turn it into stock. What are scissors in stocks?
Investment strategy.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
What can we say? I mean, the thing's a disaster, and the guy shouldn't have done it. But like, I don't know what the punishment. He didn't do harm to anybody outside of scaring the guy. I guess it's scary, but
it just sounds so obvious that this guy might have hurt the founder.
you think there was pain coming? I mean, that's
Feel
quite
like
the
it.
accusation. Well,
It just seems obvious, but could be wrong.
could be wrong.
You know?
You never know.